Hi guys! Okay, so I decided to create a realistic a day in my life as a virtual assistant mom who has 12-hour shift. So today is my last shift for this week and I will be working 12 hours for one of my clients. So I am going to bring you with me for the entire lecturation. Time check, it is already 7:19 p.m. My shift starts at 11 p.m. So I am just waiting for Daddy to finish cooking our dinner. Then we will eat and then I will go to sleep.
So, ayan, nagpapaantok na lang ako. Tinatry ko talagang i-maximize yung time na pwede ako makapagpahinga. So, while waiting for Daddy to finish cooking, ayan, natulog muna ako. Then, ayan, yung bunso ko naglalambing. Kasunod naman ni Daddy. Ginising na ako ni Daddy para makakain na ako. And as you can see, I need support na para makabangon sa bed. Dito naman nagtitake na ako ng vitamins ko. And I am off to bed here. Kakagising ko lang nito and as you can see, sobrang sabog pa. Ayan, nakaka-adjust na ako nito. And quick meeting lang to.
Yeah. We were worried because what's gonna happen with our schedule. You too. Bye now, Gary.
Pag talaga medyo matagal na ako nakaupo ng ganyan, sumasakit na yung tiyan ko. Pero may time pang magtanggol.
So, time check guys, it's 2:09 a.m. and I am hungry now. I am hungry again, so Daddy is preparing for my midnight snack. I will not be eating rice, so I guess it's just gonna be ham or something. Okay, so far I have been on shift since 11 p.m. So, mga 12, 1, 2, 3 hours na akong nag-work. And right now, walang messages. I am just waiting for messages from guests and hopefully hindi masyadong busy today.
Antok yarn. So, around this time, sobrang inaantok na talaga ako. And as you know, I am pregnant, kaya ganyan.
Time check, 8:06 a.m. It's time to eat.
Now I need water.
Time check, it's already 9:02 a.m. I still have almost 2 hours before end of my shift. I'm super duper sleepy now.
Hi, kawawang buntis.
Hi guys, so update, it's already 10:33 a.m. So gamay ko na lang, I think 27 minutes na lang and out na ko. So it's been a rough day. Grabe kadukap.